Hi everyone, my name is Idil and welcome to my kitchen. In this video, I'm going to share with you one of my favorite chocolate recipes, chocolate croissants. These are so easy to make and somehow you don't even need to temper the chocolate. So you can put them together in about 5 minutes. The kids love it, I love it. We make chocolate a little bit more wholesome. Chocolate is wholesome, by the way, because cocoa is very good for you. But I'm going to add some hazelnuts in it. I'm going to add some apricots. You can add some cranberries or dried cherries. And I'm going to add cornflakes, which gives it an amazing crunchiness. So what I have in front of me is I have 200 grams of bitter chocolate. I'm using Callebaut chocolate. I love the taste. But you can use any type of chocolate that you want. And I'm going to melt the chocolate in the bain-marie. So one thing to make sure while melting chocolate is that the water should not touch the glass bowl that's on your bain-marie. Otherwise, you're going to burn the chocolate. You can also melt the chocolate in the microwave, but you have to, after a minute, you have to take it out of the microwave, give it a stir, and go check it each 10 seconds. So I prefer bain-marie, I think it's easier. And another thing to make sure is that the chocolate doesn't touch the actual water itself. Otherwise, that's going to ruin your chocolate as well. So now let's get these in here. I love chocolate. And while that's melting, what I'm going to do is I'm going to crush my hazelnuts here. You can use any type of nuts you want, pistachios, almonds, whatever you desire. And the hazelnuts go in here. Cherries go in here as well. The cornflakes goes in here. I'm using 50 grams of hazelnuts, 30 grams of cherries, 100 grams of cornflakes. And I'm going to chop these apricots up as well. About 10 apricots. So once I see that 2/3 of the chocolate has melted, I turn the heat off. I'm going to take the bowl out of here. And I'm going to continue mixing here and let the other chocolate drops melt. This is kind of like fake tempering. It's an easy method to temper. Like I said, you don't need to go crazy with this. But if you're into chocolate, if you want to learn how to make chocolate at home, I have a video, Chocolate 101, on my YouTube channel. You should totally watch that. You can learn anything you need to know about chocolate. And that's looking good. And it has to look shiny and glossy like this. And now let's get the chocolate in here as well. Give it a good mix. Can't wait to eat this. And now I'm going to transfer this to my tray here with some parchment paper on it. And I'm simply going to spread this out. And now this will go in the fridge and it will take about 15-20 minutes. It's so good like this. You can even eat it like this. But in 20 minutes, I'll show you how the real thing is supposed to look like. The croissant is finally ready. And now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to transfer it to my cutting board here. And you can break it apart with your hands if you like. You can, just run your knife through them. But I'm going to make these into smaller pieces. You can think of it a little like rocher. It's very similar. And the kids love these, and if you have guests over, this is amazing to serve with coffee after dinner. Everyone usually really likes this, and I usually just put them up on a plate like this one and take it to the table. Let's give it a taste as well. Super crunchy. I absolutely love the dried cherries and cornflakes in this. The hazelnuts give it a nice crunchness. You guys should try it, and if you do, don't forget to leave your comments down below and subscribe to my channel for more recipes like this one. I hope to see you next time. Bye bye.